You want revenge. But why? Let's say you get it. Let's say they see you succeed. Let's say they regret hurting you. Let's say you finally win. Then what? What actually changes? Are you truly healed? Or are you still the same person, just wearing better clothes, living in a nicer apartment, taking cooler pictures? You see, revenge is just a word. It's a feeling. It's a fire. But more than anything, it's a signal, a sign from your mind that says, stand up, it's time to move. Because we are humans. We don't act unless we have a reason. We don't drink unless we're thirsty. We don't chase until something runs. We don't grind until something breaks us. That's how this works. And if you're feeling angry, good. If you're feeling betrayed, good. If you're feeling like the world doesn't believe in you, even better. Because now you have something most people don't. A reason, a fire, a reason to wake up earlier, a reason to train harder, a reason to work when no one's watching, a reason to become better than you've ever been. You don't owe anyone your explanation. You don't need to tell the world what you're doing. You're doing great. And I'm here like a brother to walk you through how to take that pain and turn it into power. Let's begin. Step 1. Stop talking about what they did. You've told that story too many times. How they lied, how they left, how they embarrassed you, how they broke you when you were loyal. But every time you speak on it, you relive it. You give it power. You bleed again. Let it die. The first step to true revenge is silence. No posts, no rants, no explanations. Just disappear and rebuild in the shadows. Because silence confuses people. It makes them wonder. It makes them uncomfortable. And that's exactly what you want. While they're looking for drama, you're becoming dangerous in silence. Step 2. Focus on what you can control. You can't change what happened. You can't go back and erase the betrayal. You can't delete the pain. But what you can do is take full control of the next chapter. Your body, your habits, your circle, your purpose. Every time that anger bubbles up, use it. Turn it into fuel. Lift heavier. Run longer. Work later. Think deeper. Don't let the pain sit inside you. Turn it into progress. Control what's yours. That's where power begins. Step 3. You don't need to prove anything. You think they care? They don't. You think they're watching? Maybe. Maybe not. But it doesn't matter. This isn't about proving them wrong. This is about becoming so right with yourself that nothing they do or say can even touch you anymore. You are not performing for their validation. You are evolving for your peace. And the best part? The day will come when they hear your name and realize they lost access to a version of you that doesn't even exist anymore. That's the revenge they'll never recover from.
Come on!
Step 4. Upgrade in silence. Work on your style. Fix your skin. Build your jawline. Shape your body. Grow your money. Train your mind. But don't post about it. Don't announce every step. Don't chase compliments. Let them wonder what happened. Let them sit in silence while your entire identity shifts behind the curtain. When you return, you'll walk differently, talk differently, feel like a stranger, and they'll know they can't come back. Step 5. Use the pain as fuel. That feeling in your chest? That pit in your stomach? Good. Use it. Let it push you. Let it sharpen you. Let it turn you into something they never expected. Pain is a tool. Most people run from it. But you face it. You train with it. You let it work with you like iron sharpening iron. Every rep in the gym, every lonely night, every early morning when no one believes in you. Stack it. Channel it. Let the pain build your power. Step 6. Stop looking back. Checking their profile? Checking their status? Still hoping they reach out? That's not power. That's weakness. Delete it. Block it. Mute it. Revenge doesn't live in the past. It lives in the future. Let them stay where they are. You're not there anymore. You're building forward. Every step you take now is toward a version of you that doesn't need to be seen because he's too busy becoming. Step 7. Stay quiet. Stay dangerous. You don't talk about your plans. You don't explain your changes. You don't defend your distance. You vanish, and you grind. When they ask where you've been, it's already too late. You're too far ahead, too unreachable, too evolved. You become the one that got away, and the version of you they could have had, it doesn't even exist anymore. Step 8. Forgive but never forget. Forgiveness isn't weakness. It's power. Because when you forgive, you take back control. You say, I don't carry this anymore. But don't ever forget the lesson. Don't forget how it felt to be blindsided, to be underestimated, to be replaced. That memory, that's fuel. It's the proof that your heart survived. It's the reason you don't settle again. It's the beginning of your rebirth. Forgive the person. Remember the impact. Honor the evolution. Step 9. Build a life they can't enter. You want real revenge? Then build peace. A lifestyle so calm, so protected, so untouchable that they don't even get to knock on the door anymore. No mentions, no invites, no windows into your world. They don't know where you live, what you're doing, who you love, or how good you're doing without them. That's the revenge. They lost all access, and they'll never find a door again. Step 10. Glow up without needing an audience. Your glow up isn't for them. It's for you. You're not doing this so they'll regret losing you. You're doing this because you finally realized they were never worthy of the version you're becoming. You don't care if they notice. You don't care if they regret it. Because now, you walk like a man with purpose. You carry energy they can't decode. You become the type of man they only understand when it's too late. The best revenge is building a life that doesn't need revenge anymore. Final message. You came here looking for revenge. And maybe, deep down, you still want it. But let me tell you something real. Revenge isn't a moment. It's not a dramatic comeback. It's not a flashy Instagram story. Revenge is silent. It's slow. It's daily. It's built through sweat, through repetition, through discipline when no one's watching. You become the kind of man who doesn't chase closure, doesn't chase people, doesn't chase validation. You disappear. You level up. You protect your peace like it's sacred. And one day, without warning, they'll look around and realize they lost the real you, the focused you, the upgraded you, the version they'll never touch again.